guys? Welcome back to Brittany Automotive. I know you guys are very excited to see what's new for the new engine and the build series on that, but the tool that I was going to use this week is being used. I was going to borrow it from somebody, but they were busy with it, so I decided to change this week's video to my new sponsor, Menscer Motorsports, and I'm really excited to show you guys what they got me. To start out, here is the first gift that they gave me. The awesome hoodie that I'm currently wearing right now. I've already dove into this box, if you couldn't tell. Couple of t-shirts. This one's pink, purple, pink. You guys will see me wearing these plenty in future videos. A ton of decals. And my favorite part of this entire box is the fact that they make their own popcorn. I feel like that's a marketing objective for all companies from now on. The folder I pulled out of here is actually a really nice folder, which I love that. As a marketing director, this makes me happy. It has all of the instructions to install it from AFCO because they're an AFCO company, and then like how to install it correctly. And then this is actually kept in the car usually while you're at the track, just so that you know kind of like how to change things while you're at the track, because they make it very easy, and I'll show you. So the first box that I got is the Brunt Coilovers and shocks, which look like this, and these things are prettier than I am. These are gonna look so good. And then they sent me the rear shocks, which is why I have that box over there, because I wanted a coilover on that as well. And I will show you guys how to make this turn into this. I can actually pick up this box, so I'll show you what's in this one. This is the coilover conversion. I will not be needing these, but I'll show you. This will go on the shock itself. It'll screw down, and then this will be like the top cap of it, and then the spring. The rear springs are rated for 110, and the front springs are rated for 300. So here I just have a Menscer shock, and you're going to take this piece right here, and it's already loosened. You'll loosen that bolt right here, and you will. Let me act like know what I'm doing when I don't. I think Brittany Automotive forgot to mention that she has merch, so go check it out in the link below, and I'll be dropping new decals soon. Okay, all the way to the bottom there, and then you take your screen. Slide that bad boy on there. Oh wait, hang on. First, this thing's compressed. This one's not. What you gotta do is do this. You can pull it out. Okay. Now I'll put the spring on. This is the top piece. You can click this guy out of there, or it's just that piece. Now what you're gonna do, let me get closer to this. Now what you're gonna do is on this one, you're gonna click this thing on there. There you go. Okay. Click that bad boy on there, and then once that's on there, this should slide right up over the top, if I'm correct. You can pinch these two together. Come on, you can do it. There you go, there. It's on there. And there you go. That's all it was. And do this, spin this one down here. No, stay down. Stay down. All right, and there you go. You turned this into this. in a matter of 5 seconds. Probably not 5 seconds, but pretty darn close. So now I'm gonna do this one, and then we're gonna go put them on the car in the freezing cold. So bear with me here. It's gonna hit that before it comes off.
Ow! Well, you got it.
Oh, I'm scared it's gonna click on me.
Jegs under it, we're good. There you go. One more?
One more. Okay. She's out. Come with me. I'm so cold for this. My fingers don't work. Okay, well that was definitely a winter wake-up call. It was about 30 degrees outside and we finished around 7 o'clock. So I only got the rears done, I did not get the fronts on, and my anti-roll bar does not fit with the new Menschers on. So I'm gonna have to find one of those, but I will do a video on the fronts because I just want to give a huge shout out to Menscer for all 4 of them because they are literally the best in the business. And when I found out I could run Menschers on my car for what my car is, that is insane to me. And the whole crew is just so nice, and I talk to them quite often, and they're all just friendly people, like amazing company. But like I said, I got the backs on. I will do the fronts in a different video. I want to thank my other sponsors, Holley, Jegs, Motul, Small Race Development, and BTR, and then I will release a new one. I don't know when I'm going to release it because it might give away some stuff, so I might wait for that. But I want to give a huge shout out to all my sponsors right now, and I will see you guys next week. P.S. We'll probably go back to the new engine next week.